Okay, good afternoon, everyone. You are again welcome in another session of social science. Today, we will continue with our geography chapter number 5, water. So, yesterday, you come to know about how the water is distributed throughout the world, how it is available, in what quantity percentage it is available on Earth. Okay, that about 71% of Earth surface is covered with water. Then we also come to know about that there are some areas in the world where water is acute. The supply of water is very acute, or there is a shortage of water. So in all that, the drinking water is very less throughout world. Okay, most of the water we are having on Earth is available on oceans, and it is saline water. It is not very useful for the purpose of our drinking or bathing or even cooking. Then we come to know about that water exists in all the three forms of matter, that is in liquid, in gaseous form, and in solid form. Then we discuss that water tends to change from one form to another form, and this change process is called water cycle. So this is the water cycle. So in water cycle, what happens that one form of water changes into another form. For example, here you can see that water is first available in liquid form in ponds and lakes and rivers, oceans, etc. Then due to sun rays, it gets evaporated and moves to atmosphere where there may be some very cold layer of air blowing above the atmosphere in the upper layers of atmosphere where this vaporized water gets condensed into clouds. When the clouds reaches their saturation point, okay, saturation point means when they are unable to hold their own weight, then we can see precipitation takes place. Okay, so in the form of rain droplets or in the form of snow, water again comes down to earth. So in this way, this all process get rotated and is being continued since the presence of water on earth. So it makes water available throughout the year, throughout the planet. So this is called water cycle. Now today we are going to study about the movement of water. Okay, so as we have discussed earlier that 71% of our surface is covered with oceans. Okay, so all the water bodies, seas, gulfs, and bays, rivers, they throw their water in the oceans. They get mixed with ocean at the end. Now here the water used to move in some patterns. Now we are going to study about these pattern in